What is up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. Welcome into my bedroom here at my new place in the Miami. You decided to kind of switch up to the scenery. What we are going to be talking about is how to make $100 doing literally nothing. We are also going to show you some bonus apps that you can make even more that again doing nothing. And I know that's a broad claim. I also know that generally when the people say doing nothing on YouTube, it means at least some amount of the work, but in this video I'm not kidding when I'm to tell you that literally you are doing to be nothing. So if you are new here, first of all, welcome to my bedroom. Sounds kind of the weird to say, to tense of the thousands of the strangers, but in time I welcome to my bedroom and welcome to my strongest family anywhere on YouTube. You are new here. Do two things to you. If you like money, if you don't like money, don't do them. But if you do like money, like me and like everyone pretty much watching this video, make sure you tap the like button until it's turned to the blue for the YouTube algorithms, and also click to the little red subscribe button to make sure you join the bell square. Why? Because that's why you're every time we drop a brand new video, and you have to wait to the better chance to actually be our next $100 first commenter winner. Shout out to our winner from the last video. Also shout out to our riddle winners. For the beginners, first commenter with a correct answer for our riddle from the last video, and since you guys have been loving for the riddle so much, we have the brand new one on the riddle for today's video. Is the man who was outside in the rain with the no umbrella, but got no one his hair wet. Now, did what happened now? The first person to comment the correct answer down below will be our next $1,000 course winners. And like always, the first commenter is on this video will be our $100 winners as well. Shout out the winners from the last video, and let's get into today's video. So the first apps that we are going to be talking about today is the interestingly enough called to make the money app, or more specifically to make money a free cash app. I wonder if they doing that for this year. Yes, of course they are, especially what this app is literally similar to the Google Opinion Rewards, where you can get paid real cash for the doing very basic tasks such as the watching videos or giving your opinion. Now in this app there is actually going to pay you to the 100, no more are going to get you into that just a few minutes, right, to make sure you do hand around with this with us till the end of the video. If you are already impatient now, right, you're probably never going to be make any money online. The truth is, if you can watch the 10-minute video, you're never going to have the successful business. It takes time to this stuff, and you can make the exclusive, or you can make the money, but you can't make the boost through the next steps. And we are going to be talking about the code of the each management app, which again is the awesome name. And the cash management app is cool because they literally getting the paid for doing nothing, and generally when you get paid for doing nothing, it means that they are ultimately selling some type of the user performance or the behavior informations about how you see our devices to the third party, like advertisers and things like that. So now, generally, this information is anonymized, right? They say right here on their website that they are graduated, that for information is safe, but do you ultimately have to decide whether or not some free cash for the doing literally zero work is worth given your actual browsing habits? On selling the information to the competitors that find valuable in some ways. But the cool thing about the cash management apps is you don't have to even to watch videos or to fill out the surveys or give your opinion or do something very basic stuff. So you do have to do the previous Make the Money app. In this literally just by downloading the app itself, it within the running audio form you can make money doing that. One of the cool perks about the cash management app is you can actually use 4 different phones on the one IP address, and you can get paid 4 times as much as they say their websites. The most of that you can generally make is about $15 per month per phone. So obviously it's not going to completely change your life, but getting $60 per month completely for free for doing absolutely nothing is not the best situation to be should in these apps going to make you 600 for the hour doing nothing. Not quite. It will make about 60 per month if you do have the 4 devices, but we will get into that in just a few minutes, so make sure you stick around as with the third app that we are going to be talking about today is called the Money SMS apps. Now, I do sense through the very basic theme here that most of these apps tend to include the wrong money for free for app, probably because they are the money apps that essentially want the money SMS apps, and they will actually pay you again for doing nothing, literally just to receive the text message. All you have to do is to sign up, create a completely free account, and they will actually send you promotional text message when you can actually get those texts right. You can mute them and you can completely ignore them, but for every text that they actually send you, you will accumulate points which can then transfer into the dollars and get paid to receive the text. And I don't know about you, but I get a lot of the random text on my phone, and now I'm thinking to myself why I'm getting all these texts, and I'm not getting paid for the while all the smart people out there are getting paid to receive the random texts from the SMS money apps. So once you are actually set up your completely free account, you actually tell the SMS generator how to many texts that you want to receive and get paid for every single day, and then you will actually be able to earn some money just to receive some text. And unfortunately for our iOS users out there, these apps are not the only work on the Android, but we do have something very special for all of you iOS users later in the video. So but not least, let's get into the app that will actually pay you $600 literally for doing nothing. And if you're enjoying this video, is far from you learning something. If you like the idea to get paid just for installing the apps and doing literally no work whatsoever, make sure you do drop a like in this video and a comment down below to make money online. And if we get 1,000 comments that says they make money online on this video, then we will drop a completely free course that teach you to the number one way to make money on the internet. On next video that we are actually released in just a couple of days to make sure that you also tap the subscribe button, because why I am the vein and I know more subscriber and it's not strongest family on the YouTube. So last but not least, the app that will actually pay you $600 doing literally nothing is called the Zilch. Not one thing to recall the current yes, and the cool thing about these apps is that does work for both Android and iOS. And the super cool things about these apps is you literally just get paid for doing no work at just listening to the music. And I don't know about, but I listen to the music all the time and I never get paid for it. And in fact, I'm actually paying for the YouTube Premium subscriptions. So now I feel like I'm getting ripped off. Now all you have to do is to actually take advantage of this. Download the current .us app and just listen to your favorite musics. And when you listen to your favorite musics, you will actually start to accumulate the points. And when you actually accumulate the points, you can then of course transfer to those and gift cards or called hard cash, and the more music that you listen, the more points that you make, and the more points that you make, the more cash then you can actually earn, again earning up to $100 per year, literally just do listening to your favorite music, and do zero work for any kind of the. Also, did you know that we actually have the second YouTube channel that we just launched, called The More Rich Podric, where we bring the best entrepreneurs from all around the world to come and to teach you life in the best ways to make money online. It can literally talk five with the millionaires and the multimillionaires, asking the questions about they make money online. What the best way to make money online is to make, so sure, check out to the down in the descriptions, and subscribe to the second channel, and we actually have the top 25 podcasts in the world. So thank you guys so much for the making podcasts at the top 25 the world rich product experience, because you guys have been loving it so much. So we actually launched the brand new YouTube channel for it, so as well, to make sure you check out also down in the descriptions, and subscribe to the both of the Rich Project second channel and also to the Rich Project experience on the YouTube. Or if you just wanted to continue running to this channel for the free, we have the brand new playlist in the new best ways to make money online, work from home, be happy, and free comment to the live into the middle of your screen. Make sure you click to the playlist in 3 2 1, see you there. Click it, comment, click it, do it, click it, the new playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you will like it. Click on the playlist. See you soon. Cash App.